Lorna every day. Happy birthday.
Today is your birthday, your very special day. You must be happy, just more than yesterday. Today you can hear sweet voices from your brothers and sisters singing a birthday song, and everyone must be greet you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday, your very special day. You must be happy, there's more than yesterday. Today you can hear sweet voices from your brothers and sisters singing a birthday song, and everyone must be greet you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello, good morning everyone. Hello Ate Lor, happy 49th birthday to you. May the Almighty Father bless you more abundantly together with your family. Always good health lang, aron makapadayon sa mga gimbumaton sa adlaw-adlaw. Padayon kang nga makaatiman sa imuhong pamilya, sa matag adlaw isip ilang inahan sa panimalay. Inahan ug tatay sa panimalay. Daghang salamat Ate Lor sa friendship. Daghang salamat sa ato ang dugay-dugay na sab nga panahon nga pag-uban sa TLE Fam. In behalf of the TLE Fam, we will wishing you a happy birthday. Ate Lor, we love you.
Balita ko may birthday ngayon. Saan ba yung banda? Sino? Sino ba yung may birthday ngayon? Saan ba yung banda? Kikain sana ako doon. Hindi ako nakapagsaing. Malayo ba yun? Magkikain tayo doon. Ang layo. Sa ano daw? Davao? Layo naman nun. Ang layo. Sa Davao ako pupunta. Magkikain lang. Happy birthday po, Ate Lorna. I wish you more birthdays and more candles to blow. Salamat po sa pagiging malditang mabait sa amin. At magpapasalamat po tayo lagi sa taas. Ang mga biyaya po natin na natanggap, maliit man o malaking halaga, at least nagpapasalamat po tayo. At good luck po sa mga career sa through Facebook o mapapopo. Good luck po. At enjoy lang po ang life sa pagiging totoo. Happy birthday po. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, good morning everyone. Ate Lorna. Hello Ate Lorna. Happy birthday sa akong 8th. Lorna everyday. Happy birthday, ate, and more birthday and more blessing and more good health lang sa imong ate. Ang butong sa naman akong itsura. Utro na ko ti happy birthday ate. Nagdali ko kaya nga akong apo ate na adere. Hi Ate Lorna, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in your birthday day. Tagaan kag maayong panglawas ni Papa Jesus. And thank you sa inyong pagsuporta sa akong sister. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagsali. Thank you once again. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hello, Lorna. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dailorn. Sinaot unta magakita na ka og bago mong papa. O kanang pinakagwapo nga papa. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, Dailorn.
Happy born day, Ate Lorna. First of all, magpasalamat ko nga sa inyo duha ni Dang Ilis, nga i-accept ko ninyo as part of TLE Familia. O manghinaot ko nga sa imo ang adlang natawhan karon nga hatagan ka ni Lord o good health, kanunay abundant blessing diya sa imo o sa imong pamilya Ate Lorna, og ingon man more success and more earnings sa imo ang Facebook, YouTube, and especially sa imong pupo. Og Ate Lorns, daghan kaayong salamat and enjoy your day and happy birthday Ate Lorna. Love you.
Happy birthday, beautiful Lorna, all the way from the United States of America. I'm wishing you another year filled with love, hope, peace, and happiness. Have a wonderful day. Blow out the candles and make a wish. Much love to you.
Happy birthday to Ate Lorna every day. Ate, may God give you a thousandfold of blessings and good health every day and more birthday to come. And once again, happy born day. Happy birthday, Ate Lor.
Day, Lorna, every day. I hope you have
Good health
good health
and
and
happiness.
happiness. Happy birthday.
Hello, Lorna, every day. Happy birthday. Yahoo!
Hi, Lord. Happy birthday. Happy 49th birthday. Sana my wish is bigyan ka ni Lord ng malusog mga tawan. Yung kids mo sana tawag dito magiging successful sa life mo, sa pag-aalaga mo. And always be kind and always na palaging kang matulungin. So once again, happy 49th birthday. So God bless you more birthdays to come. And nandito lang ako any times of kailangan mo ako or need help, something like that. Okay? So ang regalo ko sa iyo, ito lang. No worries, Lord. Okay, ito na yung bouquet flower mo. Ayan. Okay? Happy birthday! Ayan ang bouquet flower mo. Kadami-dami yan, oh. Oh? Oh. Oh. Kunin mo na. Oh. Oh. Kunin mo na ang bouquet flower mo, oh. Nandito na. Binili ko. Ayan. Nice, no? Happy 49th birthday. God bless you more. Ingat ka lagi. At always be happy. No worries. Okay? Bye!
Happy birthday, Taylor. Wish na ko sa imong birthday, Taylor, na tagaan ka pa og taas nga kinabuhi og more blessings. Ate Lor, happy birthday. Always good health. I love you.
Hi, Lorona. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a great day. Happy birthday.
Hello, Daylorn! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life and thank you for everything nga na ako sa inyong grupo kay daghan ko og nakatunan even though nga bag-o lang ko sa inyo nga grupo. Wish you all the best in life and musing lang ko para na ako yung gift. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lord. Enjoy your day and stay healthy and guapa always. Ayaw pa stress. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Lorna. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday again, Ate Lorna. Mwah.
Hi, Tita Lauren. Good morning. Happy birthday, Tita Lauren. Wish you more birthdays to come and good health and more blessings to your family. God bless.
Hi Ate Lorn, happy birthday and wish ko po si Moha na dungagan pa ni Lord ang imong birthday ug more candles to blow sa liwat Ate Lorn. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sis Lorna. Happy birthday, Sis Lorna Guapa. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to come. More healthy and beautiful years to come. More success. I miss you. Enjoy your special day.
Hello, Lorna, everyday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Lorna. And thank you for everything. Thank you sa happy na mag 1 year since we've been known for each other. And since for the first time na na-meet ikaw sa page nako, is gana kaya kong loob sa imuha. And thank you for that. And as nga nagkailat ta. And thank you for your friendship, for your loyalty, for your humbleness, and for your craziness. Joke lang. Thank you. Thank you sa tanan, ate. Super. I'm very super. You are the person that I can lay on. I can lay on you for everything. Ikaw yung tao na maasahan. And you are a very trusted person. And maski nung wala pa tayo nagkita, you are a part of my life na, and you are a part of my family na. So thank you so much, and thank you for the friendship, and salamat sa always ka mag-lead sa ato ang grupo sa popo kay kung kay ngano kay og mga ipapadlungon walay mga saba nila. Kay kapoy nako. So di ba? So di na ta mag basta super nako. Super thankful ko and grateful nga nagkailata kay you are very thoughtful sa mga kauban nato. Transparent ka like me, and kuan ka kanang basta I see myself on you, and thank you so much. And ang wish nako sa mong birthday is more birthdays to come, and more good health, and more guapaness, and more sexiness, and more kutis, mo puti na kutis. And always be happy, and may hinaut ko dili ka mausab, and salamat sa muna to, wish nako, salamat. Ang wish nako wish day nako. Ang wish nako is you stay what you are, and stay pretty and beautiful and maldita, and stay mga saba, ayaw pag-usab, o ayaw pag-usab sa bataksan kay walay mga saba sa tong mga tigwa nga badlongon, okay? And thank you sa tanan, whatever you kuan, sa lang ako ma-promise sa imo ha, I always here for you. We are always here for you, and we love you. And happy birthday. That's all. Bye-bye.